Ready for your quick sign lesson? Today's phrase is, I need a doctor. This is a really important phrase in emergency situations and may let you know what the deaf person wants you to do in order to help them, perhaps to call the doctor. Let's start out with I. I and me use the same sign. It is the pointer finger, all other fingers closed, touching the chest. This is a pronoun, and so every time that it's used, it needs to point towards the person it refers to. I or me, you, he, she, they. The person will point to themselves to show that they're the one who needs help. Need is done with the X handshake. All your fingers are closed except the pointer, but the pointer is bent this time. This is the X handshake, and the sign uses a palm down, up and down movement. So 2 times for the sign for need. I need. The sign for doctor has 2 variations, but they're very similar and both use 2 hands. Your non-dominant hand is going to use the 5 hand shape, palm up, and your wrist is flexed, so it's showing. With your dominant hand, the first version is going to use the D hand shape. The D is all the fingers closed except for the pointer finger, which is up, and the rest of the fingers sort of make an opening, D. With this version, you are going to tap the D to your pulse point 2 times, doctor. The second version is the same, except this time you're going to change your hand shape for your dominant hand to an M. M is done with 3 fingers touching each other and over the thumb. Notice that the pinky is the only finger actually touching your palm now. When we think of the M hand shape, we can often think that it has to be very closed, but we're going to leave it super open like this because we're going to touch it to the pulse point 2 times. This was an old sign that meant medical. Many of us use it to mean doctor, and it's actually my preferred sign. Now, let's put these 3 signs together. I need doctor, or I need medical. I need a doctor.